Let's begin with the complete installation guide for Docker Desktop on Mac. This tutorial walks you through the step-by-step process to get Docker up and running on your Mac system. Before we dive into the installation, let's ensure your system meets the necessary requirements. First, your Mac operating system should be macOS version 10.15 or later, also known as Catalina or any newer version. Secondly, make sure your system has a minimum of 4 GB of random access memory, but it is highly recommended to have 8 GB or more for optimal performance. To get started, you need to download the Docker Desktop installer from the official Docker website. The official download source is available at https://www.docker.com/products/docker-desktop/. Make sure you are downloading it from the official website to avoid any security risks. Once you're on the Docker download page, you'll need to select the correct version for your Mac's architecture. If you have a newer Mac with Apple Silicon chips like the M1, M2, or M3, choose the Apple Silicon version for optimized performance. If you're using an older Mac model with an Intel x86-64 processor, select the Intel version. Now that you've downloaded the correct installer, let's proceed with the installation. First, double-click the .dmg file you just downloaded. Then, drag the Docker icon to the Applications folder. This copies the Docker Desktop application to your system. With Docker now in your Applications folder, it's time for the first launch. Open Docker Desktop from the Applications folder. You may be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Please read through them and accept to continue. To ensure that Docker is installed correctly, let's run a quick verification test using the terminal. Open your terminal application and type the command docker --version and press enter. If Docker is installed correctly, you should see the Docker version number displayed in the output, like for example Docker version 24.0.7, build AFDD53B. Congratulations, the installation is now complete. Docker Desktop is ready to use on your Mac. You can now start building and running containers. Happy docking! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.